evening time. So the last sentence will come on 4th. I think the evening time. So the last sentence will come on 4th number. And this sentence is, he will enjoy dance class in the evening. Now everybody knows that the left sentence will come on 5th, and it is, he will do his homework at night. He will do his homework at night. So this sentence will come on 5th place. મફતલાલ એક્સ સ્ટોરીને તમે લિસનિંગ એક્ટિવિટી દ્વારા, રીડિંગ એક્ટિવિટી દ્વારા, ડ્રામેટાઇઝેશન દ્વારા અને પિક્ચર સ્ટોરી સાથે પણ શીખી લીધી છે. તો હવે મિત્રો, તમને પેજ નંબર 42 પર આપેલી એક્ટિવિટી ડી, જેમાં તમારે ફિલિંગ ધ બ્લેન્ક્સ એક્ટિવિટી કરવાની છે, તે હવે તમે જાતે કરી શકશો. ખરું ને? ચાલો, તો એ પ્રવૃત્તિ આપણે સાથે કરવા માટે ફરી વખત જૂથમાં ગોઠવાઈ જઈએ. શિક્ષક મિત્રો, તમારા વિદ્યાર્થીને જૂથમાં બેસાડી દો. હવે આપણે આ પ્રવૃત્તિ શરૂ કરીશું. તેમના માટે હું તમને સમય આપું છું. વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, તમે જોયું ને, એરેન્જ ધ સેન્ટેન્સ ઇન સિક્વન્સ એક્ટિવિટી કેવી રીતે કરી શકાય. તમારા અંગ્રેજીના પાઠ્યપુસ્તકમાં પેજ નંબર 42 પર આપેલી એક્ટિવિટી 3 આપણે આવી જ રીતે કરવાની છે. આ પ્રવૃત્તિ આપણે કરીએ તે પહેલાં એક્ટિવિટીમાં આપેલા વાક્યોને આપણે ચિત્ર સાથે જોઈ લઈએ. ચાલો તો હવે આપણે તે વાક્યો અને ચિત્રોને જોઈએ. Those eggs will give me more chicks. The chick will grow into a hen. I shall be a rich man. The hen will lay eggs. People will point and say. Students, I think you have written all the filling the blanks in your textbook. Now we will check it out. So see on your screen there are 5 filling the blanks. Now we will do one by one. First is those eggs. We have to write the word will give. Those eggs will give more chicks. Have you checked it out? Now go on next sentence. That is, the chick will grow into a hen. It is very simple. Will grow into hen. You have to write will. Now another filling the blanks, and that is I shall be a rich man. Have you written? I think you all have written this word shall be. So the complete sentence is I shall be a rich man. Now on the next filling the blanks, and that is the hen will lay eggs. So lay you have to write in filling the blanks. Everybody knows this word because you have listened and also saw this story so many times. Now the last sentence, and that is people will point and say. So you have to write a word people. I think you all have written this filling the blanks in your textbook. Did you enjoy this activity? I think you are. Friends, we have finished this activity filling the blanks very nicely. Now we are doing another activity. Activity C. Let's do together. You have to see on your screen and read the sentences which are given on your screen. Look at screen. Now these are 5 sentences. We have to put it in a proper sequence. These sentences are from the story Mafatlal's Egg. Students, we know the story very well. Am I right? Yes. So, which sentence will come on a first place? I think everyone know. It is sentence number 2. The chick will grow into a hen. This sentence will come on first place. Now, which sentence will come on second place? everyone saying to me that it is the hen will lay eggs. After eggs, what happened? I think all you know that chicks will come. So, which sentence will come on the third place? The sentence first will come on third place. Those eggs will give more chicks. It comes on third place. After chicks, what happened? Obviously, hens. After selling eggs, Mr. Mafatlal, which sentence will come on the fourth place? I shall be a rich man. This sentence will come on fourth place. Who is a rich man? Mafatlal. Okay. So, students, now you know that the last sentence will come on fifth place, and it is people will point and say. So, this is an activity to arrange the sentences in proper sequence. Okay, dear students, you all have enjoyed and participated in all these activities. Now we finish this activities session. Goodbye all. See you and thank you.